Hello traders, today we're going to take a look at using the Trade Scalper on the E-mini S&P. I'm using the TradingView charting platform, and the signals that you're seeing are actually based on price action. We're not using any type of indicator like a moving average crossover. It's pure price action. Now before we begin, before I show you the NinjaTrader version and Bitcoin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So you're taking a look here as the market opened, and the first thing I notice is that we have here a signal to go short followed by another signal to go short. Now as the market opens, and especially here, this is another long signal, I want to be very careful because there could be a lot of volatility right as the market opens. So these signals by themselves are not bad, but I'd like to wait until things calm down. Now, if there's a lot of volatility, it could get a little hairy because the market could gyrate up and down with these large candles. So you can see this is a pretty large candle. This is another large candle here. So just be careful right as the session opens in your time zone. Now, as we go on here a little bit further, there's a short signal, another short signal, another short signal, another short signal, short signal. Now, these signals are all good signals. They're valid, strong opportunities to sell the market. I always like to see when we have multiple signals in the same direction. Now, we can see that there are, how many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is good. 6, 7. So out of the 7 short signals, we had one that was this one right here. The last one was a losing trade, without a doubt. But all the other ones here were all in the right direction, and that's good. We really want to have this opportunity to take valid signals very specifically on very specific pricing. Within a tick is fine to go short or to go long. Now as we continue, here's a long signal. This is good, this is good, and then it turns around and goes short. Another good signal, good signal. So we have really a lot of signals here that are strong, accurate, high percentage of the time. These are winners. So I want to make sure that I don't see anything else that's conflicting. If you're using a different method or even your own method, I always say use something else as a filter. And if you see something conflicting, for example, if you see as a situation here, this is a short signal here that is indicating to go short, but something is indicating don't go short, go long. Maybe there's a news event, maybe there's something else that you're looking at that's giving you the opportunity not to go short. You should absolutely be very careful with that. Now, in addition, we have here these arrows that are telling us on the specific candle where you should be entering long or entering short. So these little white triangles. Now if you look here at the back end here of the software, you're going to see here that there are a few options for colors to show the double wick, to show the text, increase the size of the font and the color. So there's a lot of things. Just like the NinjaTrader version, we have this ATR filter. Now what this ATR filter does is it allows you to stay away from situations when the market is too slow. So if the market is slow, typically we have more chop and more whipsaw and the market doesn't move. So you can say, or you can actually put this to whatever value you feel like doing. I think on the E-mini S&P 4 ticks, which is 1 point, should be the minimum. Even if you want to say, I only want to see signals where the average true range, the ATR, is above 8. And you can do that, right? And it depends on the market you're trading, but this is a great filter to stay away primarily when we have slow, choppy conditions and the market doesn't go anywhere or move. We don't want to be in those general areas. All right. Let's take a look at now the NinjaTrader version. This is the NinjaTrader version, and this is exactly the same as you just saw, but on the Bitcoin. Let me go to the E-mini first. So this is the E-mini S&P, the E-mini to go short right as the market opens. Very similarly, short, short, long, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exact same opportunities on the NinjaTrader version of the Trade Scalper software as we did on TradingView, and then it changes again to go long, long, short, short end. Once again, if you're looking at the back end, so let me just add here the back end of the Trade Scalper. We have the same show double wick, show the first trades. What about a filter? We have the ATR filter. I can set that to 4, and the colors and so on. So we have the very same software available now for TradingView as we do for NinjaTrader. And it's very popular, especially for the traders who want to get funded and for trading their own accounts. The Trade Scalper is one of our main goals. The Trade Scalper is a very successful piece of software. Now, if you take a look at a different market, so for example, the Bitcoin using a 1-minute chart has been on fire lately. All-time highs, the market's now pulling back a little bit. How can we take advantage now? The Bitcoin works in the same way as any other market, but remember the point value is a little bit larger. So be careful when you're trading the Bitcoin. And we have as soon as the market opens, I always say be very careful, especially at this open of the session. We can have some flip-flop, and then we have right after the market opens, we have a short. Actually, it looks extremely similar to the E-mini S&P. And maybe we can even put both charts together and see it. Do we have a short and a long happening at the same time? That's not a bad idea to overlay the signals and to compare in case they're diverging or they're on the same page. So that may be a good option. And so we have a lot of good signals here. This is a losing trade, so that's a loser right there. But everything else I see, this is good, long. Yeah, really good signals here on the Bitcoin. If you're into crypto and you want to trade the Bitcoin, the Trade Scalper may be a good option. You can trade it on NinjaTrader or TradingView. Now, if you do have any questions or if you want to join our members only trading room, we have a trading room that we have every single day where we add the Trade Scalper and other methods. We get to talk, we get to really understand what the market's doing, taking trades, and obviously learning from what's happening. Join the accelerated mentorship class, which includes all our courses and software, and I will see everyone at the next class. Until next time, good trading.